Hey guys, how's it going? How to automate SEO audits with Hostinger. First of all, go ahead to the official website and make sure that you buy the best plan. And if you want the best plan, visit the link in the description box. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to go ahead right here to the official website. First, you need to check website crawlability. So website crawlability refers to the search engine's ability to reach and scan your content. You can use Google Search Console, Screaming Frog. So it provides you with the data to know if there is a lot of crowd on your website or a lot of traffic. And you need to access the website's speed. Website speed measures how long it takes for a page to load and display its content. You can use it to optimize it. If you're running website like on a CMS like WordPress, using too many themes and plugins can essentially slow down your site. In this case, you will need to optimize your WordPress site speed. Additionally, search engines typically consider website speed when ranking websites. So while website speed isn't a separate ranking factor, it is a crucial part for the core web vital metrics like largest contentful point or cumulative layout shift and interaction to next point. Okay, if you want to optimize website speed, basically go to the official website, head to the page speed button under the performance section on the edge panel, and then choose the desktop or mobile or for the device type, and then select analyze, and the result page will show the core web vitals metrics and speed index. Now let's get back to it. All right, you need to perform the technical SEO examination. You need to examine the XML timestamps. So make sure that your XML site maps are up to date and include all the important pages on your website. The robots text files and canonical tags. Verify that canonical tags are correctly implemented on the website on the pages with similar or duplicate content to signal the preferred version of search engines. So you can use website like website audit, like the SE ranking, right? The process of manually reviewing and optimizing these technical SEO elements. Consider using an advanced SEO audit like SEE rankings, a website audit. With its help, you can scan your website under over 120 parameters in just a few minutes. So that's another comment. So this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.